Hello, this is tutorial of hot melt powder shaking machine. And here is the control panel. Now I will take these two parts out. And these two part is the main installation. And now we need to unscrew these 4 screws as I point. Then we put the smoke filter on top. And screw to fix it. Each side with 2 screws to install. To install this connector needs you aligning the nick with the protrusion. Now fix it and screw the outer ring. Now we have installed the top part. Then we come to bottom to install the roller. We need to loosen the knob at first. Then move out the outer part. Then we insert the roller to one side and connect it to the outer part. Tighten it in end. The installed situation is as I show. Now we have finished the installation and thanks for your watching.